Understanding Biology Dissection, a deep dive. Hello everyone! Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the fascinating world of biology dissection. This concept may sound complex, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or simply curious about biology, this video is designed to enhance your understanding of what dissection involves and why it's an important tool in biological sciences. Let's dive in. Biology dissection is a hands-on method used to explore the anatomy of plants and animals. It involves carefully cutting into and examining the internal organs and structures to understand how living organisms function. This practice is not only about observing what's inside but also about appreciating the complexity of life forms. By dissecting a specimen, students and scientists can see firsthand the intricacies of biological systems, such as the circulatory, respiratory, and nervous systems. The main goal of biology dissection is to provide a deeper understanding of how organisms live, grow, and interact with their environment. It allows learners to connect theoretical knowledge with practical experience, making abstract concepts more tangible and understandable. Dissection also plays a crucial role in medical and biological research, helping scientists discover new information about anatomy, physiology, and even find treatments for diseases. Dissection is a valuable educational tool, but it also raises important ethical considerations. It's vital to approach dissection with respect for life and to consider the sources of specimens. Many educational institutions now offer alternatives to traditional dissection, such as virtual dissection software, 3D models, and videos, to address ethical concerns and provide options for students who prefer not to participate in actual dissections. Preparing for a dissection involves both practical and safety measures. It's important to wear protective clothing, such as gloves and goggles, to prevent any direct contact with chemicals or biological materials. Familiarizing yourself with the dissection tools and how to use them safely is also crucial. Before starting, review the anatomy of the specimen you'll be dissecting to know what structures to look for and how they're interconnected. We hope this exploration of biology dissection has shed some light on its importance and complexity. Whether in educational settings or professional research, dissection offers invaluable insights into the wonders of life. Remember, approaching dissection with curiosity, respect, and responsibility makes the learning experience enriching and profound. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. By understanding the purpose, methods, and ethical considerations of biology dissection, learners can appreciate its value in the scientific community and education. This knowledge not only enriches our understanding of biology but also fosters a deeper respect for life in all its forms.